How to post multiple photos on Instagram story with one song. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily post multiple photos on your Instagram story with a singular song. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to like the video and then subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram and then head over to your profile. Now you can just tap on this plus icon and create a new story. So just tap on plus on this story. And once you do that, you can tap on this select button at the top right to select multiple photos. So I'm just going to do that right now. And once you are done selecting your images, tap on next, and you can make a separate story or you can create a same layout. I'm just going to create a separate stories for each one of them. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on the song icon on the top and select the music that you want to add. So once you add the music, you can just go ahead and tap on done. On the top right, you can adjust this. So I'm just going to keep it right here. And I'm going to do the same for all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this one, add music, tap on the song, tap on done, and do the same thing. And once you do this to all of them, now you can just go ahead and look through them all, and it's pretty similar, and the same song has been added to multiple photos. Now you can just tap on next, and you can just post it on your story, like so. Tap on done, and you're good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.